I want to show you the exact AI tool I use to sell AI agents to small businesses every single day, and it's how I'm able to make money online without having to do any of the selling. No cold calls, no complicated tech, just a simple system that automates all of the hard parts so I can focus on growing the business. And the crazy part about this works even if you're a total beginner starting completely from scratch. This is the same exact business model I've shown hundreds of others who've been able to start their own online business with zero prior marketing experience, zero tech skills, and zero upfront capital, and start building a real business that's allowing them to build monthly recurring income working from the comfort of their own home. And just to be clear, I have no course or high ticket coaching program that I'm trying to sell you. In fact, if you want my full step-by-step course, all of my templates, all of my scripts, plus a free live bootcamp to help you get everything up and running, all you got to do is just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and I'll hook you up with a private link to unlock all of these bonuses 100% for free without any hidden paywalls or upsells or anything like that. Okay, so now that you've smashed the like button, dropped a comment down below so I can hook you up with that private link, let's jump onto my computer so I can show you exactly how this business model works and how you can start getting your own clients even if you're a total beginner and have no prior online business experience. So what we're gonna do is come over here to this simple software, and like I said, if you guys just smash the like button and drop a comment down below, I'll share with you guys my free step-by-step course of how to get clients 100% for free, how to fulfill for clients, how to set up payments, how to go through and do all of this. And I have no upsells or high-ticket coaching programs I'm trying to get you guys into. This is all purely free. Now, once we have a small business owner saying yes, that they want us to go through and post to social media for them so they can get more brand exposure, generate more leads, and close more sales, then we just have them connect their social media profiles to this simple software. And then from here, this is where the power of AI comes in. What we can do is come over here and click on New Post, and then we're just going to click on Create New Post. And from here, we might not know what to post or what to say, but we're going to first go over here and select which social media accounts. For this one, I'm just going to choose my Facebook page right here. But then we could use AI to write all of the posts. And so like I was mentioning earlier, for this example, let's say that I am a fitness trainer or I own a gym, something like that. So we're going to come over here to click on the AI, and we're going to generate a post with AI. And so right here, we're going to give it a title. So we're going to say, how to lose weight with HIIT training. And then we're just going to give it a brief content description. So we're just going to say, give tips about how to lose weight with HIIT training and the keto diet. And then over here, just for keywords, we're going to put in HIIT, which stands for high intensity interval training. And then we're going to also do keto because that is another popular diet. And then for the writing tone, for this one, we could have funny, casual, excited, professional, witty, sarcastic. I'm just going to do funny right here. And then I'm going to say we're going to do 4 different variations. And then for the content length, we could have small, we can have medium or large or custom length. And I'm just going to keep it as small for this one, and I'm going to click on generate. And so now AI is going to write all these different content posts for this business. And now what's happened is it spit out 4 different variations in a funny tone that we can go through and leverage to post to this business's social media account. So all we do is just click on copy, and then I'm just going to move my head so you can see exactly how this works. I'll click continue down over here, and then this is all pre-built into the post. Now you might be thinking, well, how are we going to get an image? Do I have to go through and talk to the business? How are we going to go through and set that all up? Well, all I'm going to do is click on this image right here, and you could upload an image from the library where you can just like ask the business. But what I prefer to do, so you don't even have to contact them, and this is a lot simpler for you, is create the image using AI. So describe your image. How to lose weight with HIIT training and the keto diet, right? And so now I'm going to do a few variations. I'll do maybe 4 variations of this, and then you could choose your image style. So for this one, I'm just going to do a photo and click on generate. Now AI is going to automatically generate some images that we can leverage and use in this post tied with the social media description that AI already created. And then this post is created for you in a matter of seconds. So we can check these all out. We've got this guy right here kind of flexing his pecs. This one is more of a full upper body. Another guy right here, and we've got this girl right here. So you can go through and choose which one you want, and then we just click continue. And now we have the post ready to torch those tacos like they're yesterday's news, dive into HIIT training and pair it with the keto diet for a 1-2 punch of weight loss, wizardry, sweat, laugh, and bid adieu to those stubborn pounds, right? And so now from here, what we can do is come down here. We can either post it right now, or we can say schedule the post, so we can have it scheduled for a certain date. Or if the business wants to approve every single post before it goes out, we can send the post to be approved by the business owner. Or on top of that, we can also say, hey, we want to schedule a recurring post. If something that's going to happen like every Monday or every once a month or something like that, you can do that as well. So we go through and say, hey, schedule the post. We're going to schedule it for next week. Let's say at 3 p.m., schedule the post. Now we can see this on our social planner. It's going to pop up a calendar of all of the posts that are going on. So we've got this list view right here, or if you wanted to go to more of the calendar view and see when this post is going out, you can go through and do that. And then you can easily schedule a new post every single day. And the cool thing is, which I'll show you guys inside my free step-by-step course, if you guys smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I'll show you how you can reuse this post across multiple accounts. So if you got like 10 personal trainers or you got 10 CrossFit gyms, you could literally use the same generic posts across all the CrossFit gyms. So you're only really creating one post, but it's for 10 different clients, and schedule that out for an entire month. And you can see in about an hour, you could probably schedule out about 30 posts just like this. And then these clients are going to be paying you $500 per month per client for going through and setting up content to post to Facebook. You could repost this to Instagram. You could repost this even to LinkedIn, all these different content networks, so they can get more exposure, more leads for their business. So the thing I love about this side hustle is it's something that offers massive value to these small businesses, because honestly, at the end of the day, most of these small businesses, they just don't have the time to go through and do this themselves. It might be super easy, but they don't have the time to do it because they have a long list of other things that take higher priority of actually running their business. And this is where you can come in and offer an amazing, real, valuable service to these small businesses so they can get more exposure on social media, where the average adult, like I said earlier, spends over 2 hours per day. So the chances of them getting eyeballs on their business, getting more leads, and getting more customers goes through the roof because you were able to go through and help them with their social media marketing. And honestly, most of these small businesses, they know they need to be on social media. And if they're not, it's just because they don't have the time or they haven't found the right person to go through and help them out with the social media marketing posting. And this is where you come in and you can fulfill this need for them so that they can continue to focus on the things that are most important in their business, but you can also help them with the marketing, lead generation, and getting more customers leveraging social media. So once again, if you want my free course, plus templates, plus everything to run this entire business, plus knowing how to set up this exact software and get an extended 30-day free trial to this software, just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and I'll share with you guys the private link. I'll even give you your own professionally designed website template that you can have up and running in a matter of a few minutes, so you look like a legit professional business right out of the gate. And so when these small businesses say, hey, can I check out your website? You look legit. And then on top of that, every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern time, we offer a 100% free boot camp that will jump on a Zoom live with you and take about 45 minutes, but get your entire business set up so it's up and off the ground running. And then we'll even jump on a one-on-one kickoff call with you to make sure everything is set up the right way and you have a good game plan moving forward. So if that all sounds of interest to you, make sure you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below. And if you're brand new here, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, because we launch new videos every single week to help you grow your business, get more clients, and ultimately our goal is to help you make more money. So with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. A quick shout out to our sponsor, AIMessageBots.com. You can now use AI bot automation to automatically book more appointments for your business. So go to AIMessageBots.com right now to learn more and start your free trial. A quick shout out to our sponsor, LaunchMy.agency. We'll show you how to start a wildly profitable marketing agency for free, plus we'll show you the only software that we use and give you an extended 30-day free trial. So go to launchmy.agency right now to learn more and start your free trial.